Mountain of Processor Pao. Today I'm going to demonstrate about the three looping statement, the for loop, the while loop, and the do while loop. First, pound include iStream. Second, int main. In this program, I've written a loop that prints the word Fernandez 10 times. Each on a new line. I started by creating a for a loop in the main function where I set an integer variable count to start at 0. This loop keeps running as long as a count is less than 10, and with each loop iterations I increase count by 1 using count plus plus. Inside the loop, I use stdcout Fernandez, std end line to display Fernandez, and create a new line with std end line. When count reaches 10, the loop stops and the program ends by returning 0 to signal successful execution. This way I can print the same output multiple times efficiently without needing multiple print statements. Next, we are going to demonstrate the while loop. First, we need to type pound include iStream and int main. In this program, I've written a while loop that prints John Mark 9 times. Each on a new line. I start by declaring an integer variable count and setting it to 1. The while loop runs as long as count is less than 10. Inside the loop, I used to stdcout John Mark, std end line to print John Mark, and add a new line after each print. Then I increase count by 1 using count plus equals 1. This continues until count reaches 10, making the loop conditions false. So the loop stops. Finally, the program returns 0 to indicate successful completion. These loops let me print John Mark multiple times efficiently without repeating print statements. Lastly, I'm going to demonstrate the do while loop. So first, type the pound include in iStream and int main. In this program, I used the C++ language to print Oliverio multiple times. First, I include the iStream library to handle input and output. Inside the main function, I declared an integer variable named mine and set it to 2. Then I used a do while loop to display Oliverio on the screen. With each loop iteration, I increase mine by 1. Since it's a do while loop, it runs at least once, no matter what, and continues running as long as mine is less than 9. This way, the loop executes 7 times in total, printing Oliverio each time. Finally, I include return 0 to indicate the program executed successfully.